Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how many questions can you ask ChatGPT per hour so you wouldn't reach the limit. So it really depends and there's no specific answer to this question, but we can actually go ahead and ask ChatGPT itself how many questions can I ask ChatGPT in an hour. So basically, as they say, it really depends on complexity of the questions, response time. Um, well, ChatGPT question response are quite quick, and then the breaks between questions. But basically, the most important one would be the complexity of the questions. If your question asks for a really long answer, then it will take a lot of time. But assuming that the average response is 10-20 seconds per question, you may be able to get from 180 to 360 questions in an hour. So it really depends what the response time will be, and what are your questions really complex. So there's no specific answer, but roughly that. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.